what's in there. What is that, a beautiful purple dress? Look, what have you got? Oh my goodness. You want to wear the dress? Is it beautiful?
It's beautiful.
Oh, we should take off this one, huh? Your mama better help you. Notice the shoes. Okay, are you ready to wear it? Can you say, thank you, Auntie Melissa?
Thank you, Madam Slit.
Can you say again? Oh, you got a dirty face. Thank you, Auntie Melissa.
Thank you, Auntie Melissa.